All right, so we're here at the shop. Richard's out of town. We've got a lot of stuff going on here. So, you know, that thing's still for sale. We got a truck you guys can't really see yet. So Richard picked this up, 78 crew cab, F2, 3, who knows what 50 it is because the frame was chopped. Someone added the dually flares. But overall, super clean truck. Interior's not bad. It's from the 90s, but it's not terrible. It's got I think it has a 460 in it. I'm starting to buff that and get it cleaned up. Maybe that'll be up on the site soon, who knows. And then the bus, y'all will see a bus video probably in the next couple weeks.
I don't believe you.
And we'll maybe sneak peek that a little bit. We're in the process of getting it taped up, ready for primer. We're gonna prime it, and then we're gonna use somebody else's booth to actually paint that since it'll be red. So it's back into a bunch of pieces, but it's semi-quasi ready to go into primer. We're finishing up some tape, and we'll be spraying today. So hopefully you guys can see a video probably in the next couple of weeks at the very latest. So watch out for that.
Well, I thought we're done with the bus.
We're not done with the bus. Nobody backed out. Nobody's not doing the bus. We're doing the bus, and it's gonna be done.
It's true.
The hell did Tony buy now? Looks like a square body Dually. Chevy, thank God. At least someone's buying the right shit around here. Not bad. Crew cab. Floorboards are super solid. Doors has a little bit of rust, but that's to be expected. Wow. Overall, not bad. Needs a seat cover, dash pad. I guess I gotta sign some paperwork. What's up, man?
Huh? What's up? Where you boss?
He's in there. Yeah, I mean, not bad. Not a bad truck. At least this one's not cut down, and it runs and it drives because it drove in here. It's always a good sign. 44. Not bad. It's 4-speed. I didn't even realize it's 4-speed. Ooh, that clutch is soft. And so is the brakes. Ooh, she may need a clutch. Not. Not bad. I hate the overlays we put on here, but those can come off. Got an aftermarket radio. No, I like it. It's good shape. One thing that's cool about the manual trucks is they have tachometers. Automatic trucks didn't have tachometers unless you ordered it like that. Super good buy, I think.